Asad Battalion of 10th Sector Assam Rifles under the aegis of Headquarter IGAR South established a water supply scheme at Aishi village of Kamjong district under the Border Area Development Project yesterday. The initiative was taken to address and eliminate the problems faced by the villagers by providing sufficient water for daily domestic uses. Shalon Battalion of 28th Sector Assam Rifles under the aegis of Headquarter IGAR South organized an awareness lecture on coronavirus epidemic at 8th village in Chandel district yesterday. Assam Rifles Medical Officer conducted the lecture in which a total of 10 elderly, 16 children and 15 youths of 8th village attended the event. The Central Board of Secondary Education CBSE has planned to introduce a new policy to protect students' mental health. In order to combat the threat of mental health disorder among the students, the Central Board has moved to remove negative words such as failed and compartmental on their mark sheets, says media reports. In view of the coronavirus outbreak in China, the Assam Health Department has set up a counter of a medical team at the Jorhat Airport and Rauria to screen infected passengers coming from outside the state. According to media reports, a medical team comprising of 2 physicians and 4 paramedics have been deployed at the airport, a health department official said. The 11th edition of Defence Expo 2020 will conclude today at Lucknow. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh will attend the closing ceremony. Though the expo will formally end today, the expo will continue till tomorrow due to public demand.